the last decade, Bauhu Homes has been emerging as a sustainable, modular alternative to traditional build homes, providing modular building solutions in quality residential home builds, resort applications, and property development across the Caribbean. Are engineered to design wind loads of up to 200 miles per hour. Each building has a robust, galvanized steel structural frame, which is connected to the concrete foundation with specially fabricated base plates. Holes are drilled into the concrete foundation, and threaded studs are used to make the base plate connection. All connections are tightened to specified pressures with a torque wrench. The threaded studs that connect the column base plates into the concrete foundation are fixed using structurally approved chemical anchors made by world leaders. HILT. A special resin applicator gun is used to inject a two-part epoxy resin into the holes, which fixes the stud in position. The base tracks of the light-gauge steel wall panels and the window jamb posts are fixed with high-tensile concrete screws. Homes is known for their focus on design, build quality, and sustainability. They offer luxury, sustainable housing options through their residential and resort home builds, as well as affordable home options and property development projects throughout the Caribbean. They have developed a reputation for providing high-quality, fast-built modular homes that are the modern alternative to traditional construction methods. With a focus on sustainable materials, energy efficiency, and environmentally friendly practices, Bauhu Homes aim to change the way people live by promoting a more sustainable approach to home construction. Bauhu steel frame homes are constructed using high-quality, corrosion-resistant steel and are designed to withstand the harsh weather conditions commonly experienced in the Caribbean. They are also built to be energy efficient, using advanced insulation and air sealing techniques to reduce energy costs and improve indoor air quality. In addition, Bauhu's design team adopt regenerative architectural principles, use eco-friendly construction techniques, responsibly sourced raw materials, and recyclable steel structures to achieve sustainable buildings, helping to restore, renew, and replenish the planet.